Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Andromeda Gaming's YouTube channel. I am your host JD today. Today I got a very special video. It is another addition to one of our Andromeda Gaming's armory of anime and video game character related weaponry. This time around it's going to be a weapon that is very near and dear to me. It is a weapon that is from my favorite all-time hack and slash game, Devil May Cry. And yes guys, I got one of their weapons and I'm super excited. So I ended up getting the legendary Yamato Blade that belongs to the big older brother Vergil. I mean, is he really the older brother, guys? Like there's always like some sort of misconception, like if he's the older brother or Dante and Vergil twins and he's just like the older one because he was born like 3 seconds earlier or whatever. Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know which one of them is your favorite, either Nero, Dante, or Vergil. And I know Nero is like Vergil's son after playing Devil May Cry 5. Spoiler, if you haven't played Devil May Cry, I'm sorry about that. But anyways guys, today I'm going to be reviewing it. Unfortunately I'm not going to be unboxing it because we are moving in a couple of weeks. So I kind of had to take it out of the box and make sure that it was okay so that I could stick it back in like the other boxes where like the rest of the other weapons are. And yeah guys, I just really wanted to get this video out there so that you guys can see it. I'm really excited. We just finished doing like a stream on our Twitch channel. Just finished beating the Devil May Cry 5 story a second time in a row on our channel because I did beat it in I believe it was Son of Sparta mode, and it was tons of fun. Devil May Cry always great game. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave the subscribe button, and if you end up enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a like. To those of you that have been here with us already for a long time, welcome back guys. I'm really happy to share this with you. So yeah guys, let's get to the sword. So yeah, before you guys, you have what seems like just a regular other katana, you know, with like the white grip and like it's regular, you know, sheath. I heard in another video that it's not called sheath, it's actually called the Scabbard. I always forget to call it by the actual name. But yeah, as you can see, it looks like any other regular katana with the scabbard. For those of you guys who are true Devil May Cry fans, or like if you're new to the channel, you have no idea what Devil May Cry is, this is actually called the Yamato Blade. This is one of 3 devil arms that belongs to the 2 demon, half demon, half human, aka Nephilim brothers from the Devil May Cry series. This is actually Vergil's devil arm. It's called the Yamato, and it was given to him as a memento from his father before his father went missing during one of the great wars that he was fighting against Mundus and demonkind. And yeah, so a little bit about Vergil. Vergil is technically like the older brother, or like the older of the twins in whatever universe it is that everybody decided that they were twins, or he was the older brother. But this katana right here literally has the power to slice through time and space. And when Vergil draws this baby, he draws it so fast that it's like, it looks like he's sheathing it. It doesn't even look like he's unsheathing it. He just goes like bam, and then like time and space gets cut off. So this can literally cut through anything, just not Dante's Rebellion or Nero's Red Queen apparently. But yeah, it is a really powerful weapon, and it looks so elegant. It actually is supposed to resemble kind of like a cane because Vergil of the 2 brothers is he's very classy. Dante is like the more rebellious one, so yeah, like it looks really classy. Honestly, I would have preferred to get like the Rebellion first, but so I kind of just like had enough of a budget to kind of like splurge into this because it's actually pretty cheap, guys. This is an actual metal sword. It's a replica, and it was only like 50 bucks. And so like I saw it for 50 bucks. I'm like, I gotta have the Yamato, you know what I'm saying? I'm an all-time Devil May Cry fan, guys. So I had to make my brother jealous because Vergil is his favorite. So it's like, hey, look what I got. But anyways, guys, so from the looks of it, this is actually the model from like around the first and second Devil May Cry game. Just I can tell because of like the handguard. In the new Devil May Cry 5 game, the handguard on the Yamato looks kind of like an octagon, but this one's oval shaped like in the first, second, and I believe the 3rd game. So that's the only difference there between the Devil May Cry 5 one and the one that you have now. And obviously the fact that like when Nero's the main protagonist is literally his freaking right arm, so you know, then it looks like an arm. But yeah, this is the Devil May Cry 1 through 3 handguard. And then of course on the pommel of the sword, it's got its little dragon imprint right there. I'm never focusing, bro. Focus. Boom, dragon. dragon, because you know dragons are majestic and classe. So Vergil of course had to have that on his sword. And then at the end of it here you have like some more metallic ornaments like at the end of it that kind of gives it that resemblance to a cane, you know, because unlike their father, you know, Sparta used to wear it on his back. Dante and Vergil, they just carry it on their hand, and then Nero has it on his arm because this is part of his arm, so what's he gonna do? But anyways, and yeah, he always has like his little rope thing dangling in the wind because, you know, edgelord, you know, it has to be edgy. Let me unsheath it. It's actually pretty well made. It's made out of metal, carbon steel, hand forged. I got it from a company called Valley Forge, and they make all sorts of anime and gaming sword replicas. I'm actually thinking about getting the Rebellion, the Red Queen, and possibly like Kirito's and Asuna's sword later on down the line to make a video out of. But yeah, it is completely metal, right? Let me move this right here. I'll put that right there so you guys can see it. So it is a replica sword. Keep in mind that when you guys are buying this is not sharpened. I can literally just tap the blade. Oh god, I can tap the blade, and the edge of it, the point of it, is actually a round tip, so you can't really stab anybody with it. But if you guys want me to, I'll stab somebody. No, I'm kidding. If you guys want me to, I'll get a whetstone and I'll sharpen it, and then I'll make a completely different video about it, cosplay Vergil or whatever, and I'll go out with Susan and toss some soda cans in the air and try to like cut them if I get to sharpen it. But yeah, I'll do that if you guys comment down below. And as I will also, by the way, leave the link to where to get this baby in the comment section down below. Sorry, in the description box down below. It's really shiny, guys. It came in like super waxed out. Whoever like handcrafted this did an awesome job. Just like look at that. You can tell it can cut through time and space. It's freaking amazing, bro. I'm weaving out. I'm weaving out because I love katanas. And it's so clean. It's like a white grip, dude. It's such a clean sword, man. So on the scabbard, by the way, the scabbard is made out of wood, and then the little metallic piece, these little pieces are actually metal. So it's not like it's some random weird crappy plastic. And when I opened it, a little bit of the paint is like kind of worn and torn, but it's because like of the box and the whole transportation thing when it got shipped. So like that's okay. It's not that noticeable unless you like really put like your eyeball to it, you know what I'm saying? It's really awesome. I'm really happy with this buy. I've been meaning to get one of the Devil May Cry weapons, and now I'm totally gonna get all of them once I save up enough for them, and I'll do a video about that. And another good thing that I always look at when buying replica katanas is how snug and tight they are when they're in their scabbard. Look. So when you're trying to put in the scabbard, one thing that you can tell like they did a good job assembling it and then like and creating it is how snug and tight the scabbard goes into the sword, to the point where you can hear like a little like that click, and then you know like it won't come off. Like bad weapons and bad replicas, they usually just like slide out, you know. As to like this is a good handmade replica. You gotta like pop it out, and then when you put it back in, you gotta hit it. You gotta kind of like press it hard so it stays there. So that's awesome. I'm really happy with that. I couldn't even play around with it. Like I was pretending to do like the whole near Vergil sheathing thing, and I was like, I couldn't take it out because it was just like super tight in there, man. And on top of that, it's not even sharpened. So like, because it's like it's squared out on the edge, it kind of like scraped up against the side of it. So I might even just sharpen it just for the sake of just having it sharpened in there, so it goes nice, even better, like butter, you know what I'm saying? That's my take on the Vergil's Yamato sword. I'm really happy with this. It was well worth the 50 bucks. They make some amazing stuff. I really am looking forward to like looking at trying to see like what the rebellion's gonna be like in the Red Queen. So it's just gonna look so nice like on our background when we're doing the streams, and we move on to the next apartment into our new apartment, and our stream is gonna look badass. We'll do like a whole Andromeda stream room tour, and we'll show you guys our weaponries and all that stuff and what we have. We have like keyblades, we have a bunch of katanas, we have Genji's blade. If you haven't seen that video already, definitely check it out. I really do appreciate you coming out and showing some love to like our Andromeda armory videos. They've been nothing but positive feedback and like a lot of views. They're actually most of our most watched videos. So like, you know, it's awesome that I get to get you guys to come and watch these videos off of like me getting a nice cool weapon from a video game or anime character that like I really appreciate it. And you know guys, like just I love the support. Like we would appreciate it if you guys continue to keep supporting us on our Twitch, our TikTok, our Instagram, and all of our other social media. We've been growing a lot. Thank you so much to you guys for supporting us, for supporting Susan on her streams when she goes and does her solo streams. And we're gonna be doing more cosplays and even crazier stuff, guys. Like who knows? Like the sky's the limit for us. Like you guys do not want to see us when, like you guys will, I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. You guys will want to see us when we're like at the top of our game as content creators. So I'm really excited for what the future has to hold, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.